How to invite contacts to connect with your app on One. There are 3 ways to invite contacts to connect with you. Open One app and tap on the Users button at the bottom of the screen and choose Invite Users. Here, you can invite them on social media from Phonebook or add them one by one. If you choose social media, you'll get multiple options to send the invitation. If you choose WhatsApp, an invitation will go through the customer's WhatsApp number, or you can send them an email. If you choose to invite from Phonebook, One will ask permission to access your contacts. Once you allow, it will pull out the list of contacts in your Phonebook, and when you select them, an SMS invitation will be sent out to them. Or you can click on Add Users one by one and enter their mobile number, first name, last name, and email and send the invitation. When users get the invitation, they will be able to click on it and join your app. Thank you.